Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Before installing any FG110 mini tiller accessories, turn off the engine switch and disconnect the spark plug wire. With the standard tines removed, slide the edger tine on the left side tine shaft and install the lock pin in the inner hole. Slide the supplied spacer onto the right side, install the edger wheel, and then install the lock pin in the outer hole to secure the wheel. Reconnect the spark plug wire, reinstall the fan cover, and you're ready to go.